Hi, awesome Osprey kindergartners. This is Mrs. St. Andre, and I wanted to talk to you more about our letter tracker, our Tap Banana program, and our ball words. Your students are doing amazing with their alphabet recognition and mastery. I am so proud of them, and I just wanted to make sure that everybody understands my process and how I'm recording so that you are best able to support your students. So if, as you most of you have seen, I think everyone has seen in the homework folder, we have the I know my letters and sounds chart. It's important this stays inside of the homework folder. So you can take it out to practice at home, but please keep it inside because the students look at it each day. Every time I call them, I want them to know the letters that they're missing so they know which ones that they can practice. And in order for them to have it, that has to be in the homework folder. I don't call them for Top Banana if they don't have this document inside their homework folder. So if you have taken it out, put it up on the fridge to practice, please put it back. If not, then I'm going to have to start all over with them. So please keep it inside the homework folder and send the homework folder to school each day. That is number one. Number two, I want to show you my process. So as the students tell me they have it, the letter, I go ahead and I sign right here. You're going to see something like this. You might also see a stamp with my name on it. So if your student did not know it, I will either leave it blank or I will circle it. If your student did know it, I will write my name on it. Some people came home with something like this. That's my initial right there, but it's circled and it has the date. So if you have a letter that had an initial but now has a circle with a November 4th or something that happened this week or maybe last week, that's because your child initially was able to tell me that letter. And then this week again, when I showed them the flashcards, they had forgotten it. That doesn't mean that they don't have the letter. That is a phenomenon that all students have, and I'm going to explain it to you. In mastery of the alphabet, you have to be able to hold 52 units of information in your brain. So actually 78 units of information in your brain. That means that they know all of their capitals, all of their lowercase, and all of their sounds. So many students, 78 units of information is a lot to hold in your brain at one time. You want to think of your student's brain like a cup, right? And the cup can only hold so many units of information, or like pebbles. So if your student is learning a new letter, maybe something else is coming out. It's just too hard for them to recall the information at any given time. That's an okay thing. That's part of the learning process, and honestly, just part of growing. That's why sometimes we know it at home, but we don't know it at school. That's all right, but Top Banana, as well as just letter knowledge in general, is something we want the students to be able to keep all those units of information in their brain at one time so that while they're reading, they're able to recall letters easily and quickly with fluency and with automaticity. So when you are practicing at home, don't just practice the missing letters. Go ahead, practice the missing letters as well as some known letters. That way the students' recall ability is a little bit faster and quicker, and we'll see less of these circles with dates on them. If you have any more questions for me of this learning process or how this works, please go ahead and message me. I'm happy to reach out to you and explain it one-on-one. Have an awesome Osprey day.